guys, and welcome back to gulzbeauty. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So guys, from the last few months I'm trying to book an appointment so that I can get a haircut. Looks like that's not gonna happen any soon because I think I'm being very lazy. So I thought I'll make a video and I'm gonna trim my hair with you guys. So I thought of filming it because it might help some of you guys. So let's jump right into the video.
For this you need a clip, a hair tie, comb and a pair of scissors. Divide your hair into two sections and then divide it into smaller sections. Use a clip to keep your hair away. Now let's work on this section. Brush your hair properly and make sure there are no knots. Now make a ponytail of this section and slide it down towards the end of your hair. It should look something like this. Hair tie keeps your hair in place while you're cutting your hair. I'm going to cut around between 1 to 2 inches of my hair. Comb your hair again, make sure there are no knots. Now I'm going to slide this section between my fingers like this. I'm slightly cutting my hair at this angle to give it a nice natural look. Take your time and cut your hair slowly to avoid any accidents. So this is how the section is looking now. So now I'm going to work on another section of my hair. Take smaller sections to make cutting session easier. Clip away the remaining hair to avoid any distractions. So make sure you comb each section thoroughly so that there are no knots before you start cutting this section. Now I'm going to take some hair from this section which I cut before, and that will help me to cut this new section. Like we did before, I'm going to slide section of hair between my fingers and then use scissors to cut longer hair. You can also use a comb or a brush. Keep your hair in place. I love to do this in between. Once I do one section, I comb it so many times just to see the difference. So if you're cutting your hair for the first time, my suggestion will be take smaller sections and cut as little as possible. And then I'm going to repeat the same process in the remaining section of my hair. I'm going to cut front section little shorter than rest of the hair. Similarly, slide the section between your fingers and then at an angle I'm going to cut my hair. So one side is done, now let's move on to the other side. So we have cut this much hair, it's around 1 to 2 inches. So now start making sections and keep rest of the hair away from your face with a clip. Brush your hair properly so that there are no knots left. That will make the whole process very easy. Now I'm going to take section of the hair from the other side which we have already cut to make sure you cut equal length on both sides. Now brush your hair properly and use a hair tie to keep your hair in place. Now I'm going to run my fingers to flatten the hair section. Use this length to guide you cut the extra hair. Be very patient while you're cutting your hair to avoid any accidents. Cutting at an angle for the more natural finish. And both sections look almost equal in length, which is good. So now let's move on to other section of the hair. Like we did previously, I'm using the freshly cut section of the hair to guide me and see what length I need to cut. So now front section is left. Now take equal amount of hair from other side. And I will use the other side as we did before to help us see the length of the hair we need to cut. So comb your hair properly. Apologies for not filming this section properly. So I'm going to cut hair at an angle like we did for the front section on the other side. Take your time to cut the front section properly. So I'm going to side partition my hair, comb my hair to see if there are any longer bits left, and then I'm going to cut that section. And repeating same steps on other side as well. Brush your hair properly to check if you have missed any section. And the trimming is done. At the comfort of your own house, very easily, you have trimmed your hair. Congratulations! And you have saved money, worth mentioning. My hair feels really nice, guys, because all the split ends are gone. So I think it's very easy and quick way to give a fresh look to your hair. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more fun and fashion related videos. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye.